Roof Cleaning Dundee. Does your roof look like this? Are you looking for affordable commercial or domestic roof cleaning services? We know that no two roofs are the same, and we take this into account every time we provide our services. Whether you have a delicate clay tile or a durable metal roof, we have the knowledge and equipment to safely and effectively clean it. We use a variety of methods to remove dirt, debris, and stains from your roof, including pressure washing, soft washing, chemical cleaning, and non-pressure cleaning. We take care to choose the right method for your specific roofing material and needs, ensuring that your roof is cleaned safely and effectively. Having your roof cleaned regularly can not only help improve your roof's appearance, but it will also extend its lifespan by preventing small issues becoming major problems. So why wait? Contact us today and let us help you keep your roof looking its best. Call now on 07480 487153.